Let's make English lovely, mastering the "ly" suffix. Hello learners! Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating part of English: suffixes. Specifically, we will focus on a commonly used suffix, "ly", which often forms adjectives and adverbs. Stick around and let's make your English more lively. Let's begin with understanding what the "ly" suffix is. Suffixes are a group of letters added at the end of a word to change its meaning. The "ly" suffix is used to form adjectives from nouns and adverbs from adjectives. For example, if we add "ly" to the noun brother, we get brotherly, which describes a kind of behavior. Or, if we add "ly" to the adjective quick, we get quickly, which describes how an action is done. The "ly" suffix can be added to nouns to form adjectives. This is often used to describe a characteristic or manner that is similar to the noun it's derived from. Let's look at some examples. Brotherly, from brother, means behaving in a way that a brother would, expressing affection or kindness. Daily, from day, means something that happens every day. Manly, from man, means something that is characteristic of or befitting a man. Similarly, the "ly" suffix can be added to adjectives to form adverbs. These adverbs describe how an action is performed. For example, quickly, from quick, means doing something at a fast speed. Bravely, from brave, means doing something with courage. Clearly, from clear, means doing something in a way that is easy to understand or see. Now, English is notorious for its exceptions. Not all words ending with "ly" are adverbs or adjectives. For example, friendly, lonely, and lovely are adjectives but not adverbs. Similarly, early can be an adjective, an early morning, or an adverb, he arrived early. So, while the "ly" rule generally holds true, there are some exceptions you'll need to memorize. That's it for today's lesson on the "ly" suffix. We've seen how it can be used to form both adjectives and adverbs, adding richness and detail to our language. Remember, learning is a journey, not a destination. Don't get discouraged if you make mistakes or forget a few words. That's all part of the process. Keep practicing and soon you'll be using these "ly" words fluently and naturally. Keep up the great work, and see you in our next video.